What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce this German wine term and what it means quickly or shortly. Well, Qualitätswein means, literally translates into wines of quality. So this is one of the very numerous classification levels in German wines. It is kind of intermediary. It means you are looking at wines of slightly better quality than the table wines that are taffel vines and land vines, which are kind of the vin de pays, or slightly lower quality wines, table wines and land vines. Qualitätswein means you are looking at wines of reasonably good quality. They are not going to be the best wines, which are going to be the QMP wines or the Predikat wines, but Qualitätsweins are a pretty good quality level within the classification levels of wines in Germany. Qualitätswein. Yeah, I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.